your site has a performance problem. The worst part? The gap between knowing there's an issue and knowing what to do next. The latest WP Rocket major update turns Rocket Insights into your new performance hub and closes that gap. Now, instead of running a speed test, staring at a score and guessing, Rocket Insights tells you exactly how to get a better score. First, track your most important pages and see an overall performance score and global advanced performance indicators, plus detailed scores and metrics for each page. Then get recommendations for the optimizations that will help the most. Activate them in just a few clicks. Run a new test and see the instant impact. Repeat this process as often as you want. No more guesswork, just clear insights, smarter optimizations, and a faster website.